Luxury and minimalism might sound like opposites, but when blended together, they create extraordinary kitchen spaces that are both visually refined and highly functional. A luxury minimalist kitchen embraces clean lines, high-quality materials, and a sophisticated atmosphere without unnecessary decoration. The result is a stunning cooking and dining environment that feels spacious, effortless, and truly elevated. Whether you are redesigning your kitchen or planning a new home, this video offers inspiration and ideas to help you achieve a luxurious minimalist kitchen that exudes style and timeless elegance. What defines a luxury minimalist kitchen? Luxury minimalism focuses on achieving maximum visual impact with fewer elements. Rather than decorating heavily, the design highlights sleek silhouettes and uninterrupted lines, premium materials like marble, natural stone, and high-grade metals, smart storage that keeps the kitchen clutter-free, a calm, balanced color palette, integrated technology for seamless performance. Every detail is intentional, and every inch of space works beautifully. A high-end neutral color palette. Minimalist kitchens thrive on soft, neutral hues, but with a luxurious twist. The goal is to create depth and richness without relying on bold colors or patterns. Sophisticated palette ideas. Pure white or soft ivory for a fresh, clean atmosphere. Warm taupe or beige for understated elegance. Charcoal gray or matte black for modern luxury accents. Metallic touches like brushed gold or champagne finishes. A monochromatic look can also enhance the minimalist feel while elevating the kitchen's high-end appeal. Premium materials to elevate simplicity. Luxury minimalism uses fewer materials, but only the finest quality. Top choices for surfaces and finishes. Marble or quartz countertops for striking elegance. Natural stone backsplashes for visual continuity. High gloss or matte lacquer cabinets. Wooden elements with smooth finishes to soften the space. Stainless steel or designer-grade appliances. Book-matched marble, mirrored patterns, is a popular option for adding artistry without ornamentation. Seamless cabinetry and hidden storage. Clutter has no place in a luxury minimalist kitchen. Instead, storage solutions are streamlined and often hidden. Key design strategies. Handleless cabinets with push-to-open mechanisms. Floor-to-ceiling cabinetry for maximum storage. Integrated appliance panels that blend into the design. Deep drawers for smooth organization. Concealed shelving behind clean fronts. This clean aesthetic enhances both functionality and beauty. A statement island as a centerpiece. Even in minimalism, one bold element can make a powerful impression, often the kitchen island. Luxury island design ideas. Waterfall marble edges for a sculptural look. Built-in wine coolers or seamless induction cooktops. Sleek bar seating with upscale materials. Under-counter lighting for dramatic effect. Rounded island shapes for modern sophistication. The island becomes a centerpiece that blends art and practicality. Lighting, the essence of luxury ambience. Lighting elevates the entire atmosphere of a minimalist kitchen. Layered lighting adds depth and warmth while maintaining simplicity. Recommended lighting types. Recessed ceiling lighting for general illumination. Under-cabinet LED strips to highlight surfaces. Pendant lights with elegant geometric forms. Soft warm white tones for comfort and refinement. Metallic or glass pendant fixtures can introduce a subtle luxury accent without overwhelming the minimalist style. Luxury minimalist fixtures and hardware. Small details matter when designing a high-end minimalist kitchen. Stylish choices include streamlined faucets in matte black, brass, or rose gold. Minimalist knobs or lip hardware with refined finishes. Ultra-thin sink edges and built-in soap dispensers. These accessories create a polished, cohesive look. State-of-the-art appliances for seamless function. True luxury lies in performance, not just appearance. Smart appliances integrate efficiency into minimalist aesthetics. Popular features. Built-in ovens that disappear within cabinetry. Touch control induction cooktops. Quiet, high-tech dishwashers. Smart refrigerators with concealed doors. Automated ventilation systems. Technology merges with design to support a smooth cooking experience. Texture for visual depth. Minimalist does not mean flat. Focused textural contrast adds richness and interest without complexity. Consider soft leather or velvet seating, brushed metal finishes, ribbed cabinet details, textured stone or handmade tiles. These subtle layers give the room inviting warmth while preserving clean design lines. Luxury and comfort with open layouts. An open design enhances the minimalist concept, fostering flow and connection. Design tips. Combine kitchen and dining areas in one cohesive space. Choose furniture that complements cabinetry lines. Maintain generous pathways for movement. Use glass partitions if any separation is needed. Spaciousness feels luxurious even in smaller kitchens. Sustainable luxury with conscious choices. Modern luxury values quality and sustainability over quantity. Eco-friendly options. Durable, long-lasting materials. Energy-efficient appliances. Locally sourced wood or stone. Non-toxic finishes and paints. A luxurious kitchen should enhance your lifestyle and protect the planet. Minimalist decor. Subtle but elegant. Decor should remain intentional and refined. No clutter allowed. Tasteful luxury accents. A single premium vase or artistic bowl. Statement bar stools with luxurious upholstery. Understated greenery for freshness. One large artwork instead of multiple small pieces. Let each accessory serve a purpose or bring joy. Conclusion. Luxury in the beauty of less. A luxury minimalist kitchen proves that simplicity can be the ultimate sophistication. By choosing high-quality materials, maintaining clutter-free design, and focusing on harmonious layouts, you create a space that feels both stylish and serene. This design philosophy brings together clean beauty, effortless functionality, long-lasting quality, a sense of comfort and elegance. Whether your home is expansive or compact, luxury minimalism transforms the kitchen into a refined sanctuary where every meal, moment, and detail is enjoyed with exceptional style. If you dream of a kitchen that feels modern, calming, and undeniably luxurious, these minimalist inspirations will guide you toward the timeless sophistication your home deserves.